Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today I want to talk about something simple yet absolutely essential for your health. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is one of the easiest and most impactful things you can do to support your overall well-being. Water is the foundation of life. It makes up about 60% of your body and is involved in nearly every bodily function. Staying optimally hydrated helps you regulate your body temperature, supports healthy digestion, flushes out toxins, and even keeps your skin glowing. It also plays a critical role in brain function, helping you to stay focused, energized, and in a positive mood. When we're even slightly dehydrated, it can affect how we feel and function. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even reduced physical performance. Long-term, chronic dehydration can contribute to health problems like kidney stones or urinary tract issues. On the flip side, drinking enough water can boost your energy, improve mental clarity, and even aid in weight management by supporting metabolism and curbing unnecessary snacking. So how much water should you drink? A good general rule of thumb is about 8 cups or 4 pints a day, but it can vary depending on your activity level, your environment, your size, and even the food you are eating. Foods like fruits and vegetables with high water content can also contribute to your hydration. And keep in mind that healthy, unsweetened liquids like coffee and tea count like water too. Here is how I stay optimally hydrated while leveraging liquids for better health. I drink a pint of plain filtered water first thing upon awakening. I follow that with 1 pint of black, unsweetened coffee, half calf, half regular. I enjoy a cup of low sugar kombucha. My favorite is the Health Aid Lemon Ginger brand with my first meal, which is around 10 o'clock. I then sip on herbal or spiced tea for the rest of the day, typically consuming a quart over 5 to 6 hours. And my most favorite herbal tea right now is this Rishi brand of ginger turmeric tea. I can't tell you how much I love it. And it looks pricey, but I worked out the math. It's like 60 cents a cup, but if you go to like a coffee shop and get a tea, you're paying like $3, right? Anyway, so this is my favorite one. And then some days I do my, ginger, my turmeric, my cardamom, my cinnamon, where I just make my own little spiced tea. And I try to end my drinking of beverages definitely by 6, sometimes even before that, to minimize how often I might have to use the restroom in the night, with my goal being never having to wake up. The bottom line, optimal hydration is key to keeping your body and your mind performing at their best. So grab your water bottle and make staying hydrated a daily habit. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too.